how you doing, boys and girls? Let me start off like that. Let me start off by saying how you doing, boys and girls. But now, let's get back into the video. Let's get back into the video because this is one of those videos that I've actually been waiting for. All the other mods, apart from obviously the start button, the dash, door cards, apart from them few little bits of mod, everything else has been exterior. So I don't really get to see the exterior unless I'm out the car because, well, I'm driving the car. That makes sense. So, bought a new steering wheel. I want to change it, do a DIY customization on the steering wheel. That should be easy. Switch, change, chop, whatever. Oh, let me go back to the thing, show you guys the steering wheel. Excited about. I've got a spare stop button. I think it was last video, 2 videos ago. Fitted a new one on, so that one does get worn out or whatever. Got a spare one. This is obviously the M button for the BMW 1Ms. But what we'll do is we'll put it on my steering wheel and replace this CD changer one. First thing I want to do is remove them two off. Yeah, them two front cover platings off, so that I'm able to clean the steering wheel a little bit and then come back through and wrap Silver Bits carbon fiber wrap with this 6D carbon fiber. Now the front facing plate, I want to use an orbital sander, sand down all this gunk stuff that's built up over the years, and then come through with the matte black wrap, so that gives it back a little bit of life that it had before. Finally, stitch the new cover on. Let me show you guys. Boom. That's the cover. So what we're going to do is we'll sit around the steering wheel. The reason why I want to take off the two front facing plates is because I want us to tuck it into there. I want to make it look as original as possible without spending the big £300, £400 fee. No, I'm not doing that. I'm definitely not doing that. That's kind of looking good. It's kind of looking better than I thought, especially the 6D carbon wrap, because I was, oh, there's a light there. I was a bit worried that, someone messaged me. I was a bit worried that where it's thick, and also, and obviously like the corners, I was worried that I wouldn't be able to tuck it in perfectly, but that's tucked in right there. Just tucked in there. Tucked in. Oh, that's tucked. Right, so what I want to do now is, I want to remove this little button and replace it with this. Replace it with this. Ooh. I changed the start button to red. Obviously that's why I've got a spare one. When someone over there. Yeah, so now I want to change this to match the red start button, and also we'll do another modification on the outside, on the exterior, just match with them. But when that time comes, obviously I'll let you guys know. I'll make a video of it, obviously. So now let's just get that on. Yeah, let's get that on. slap. Oh my god. Look at this. This. Oh, I'm proud of this. Right now what I want to do is I want to clean the leather on the steering wheel and then start stitching it up. The thing about this whole stitching malarkey, this was the one thing that took so long to come. It's only because it actually came from China. I had to order it from AliExpress or Alibaba. I had to take measurements, the width between there and the width between there, so that it can be as accurate as they can be, if that makes sense, without them having the steering wheel there. So let's get it on. Let's just get it on. Alright, let me even start off by saying hello, welcome back. It's actually the next day. Basically what happened was, where we left off the video yesterday, I started off stitching, probably the hardest modification I've ever done. Let me try to read you guys a few of the wordings, just a few of the sentences. Method of installation. Alright, they got that bit right. Point 1. Not the end of the thread. The first needle threads the leather cover from the inside to outside to make the sewing thread fixed. I get what they're trying to say, but that's only because there's a picture. I just lost 5 brain cells. I hope you understand why it's now the next day. But let me just show you guys the end results. Yeah. Let me show you guys the end results. Boys, girls, ladies, gentlemen, oh my god, that looks beautiful. I think the steering wheel overall, it cost me 30 for the steering wheel, and then 15 for the cover, 5 for this wrap, like the matte wrap, and I already had the carbon wrap laying around from the center console. So, this came with the stop button, that's for £7. All in all, the steering wheel must have cost me about 60 pounds, but because of the truth, that's worth it. For that and how it's looked, I knew I wanted the matte steering wheel look, like the original BMW steering wheel look, but I wanted to add the carbon fiber, the one that matches the center console. So I thought to myself, done my little bit of researching, found the steering wheel cover. I was like, okay, where do we go from here? Found the little red M button. I was like, okay, where do we go from here? Where did we go from there? Found the matte wrap. I was like, okay, now we're here. And I had the carbon wrap already. Oh, it was beautiful. Alright, anyway. If you guys want to do this, one piece of advice I would give you is super glue. Super glue is gonna help. Anyway, let me run around to the car. I've already prepped it. I've already disconnected the battery because obviously I'm gonna be fiddling around near the airbags. And then we'll talk afterwards. Look at that. No joke, no slap. I swear down on my great granny's left Reebok, the left one. This is actually transformed the car. This is one mod I'm gonna notice the most, because obviously my hand's always gonna be the steering wheel. Yeah, you guys give me some ideas, give me some pointers, give me some little, one of your little 2 cents, 4 cents, whatever. Let me little comments below and let me know. That being said, boys, girls, ladies and gentlemen, it's getting dark. I'm getting blacker than Stormzy. It's been a good day. It's been a very, very, very good day. Hope you boys, girls, ladies, gentlemen, enjoy the rest of your week. If you enjoyed the video, hit a thumbs up. We like positivity here. If you dislike the video, hit a thumbs down. Let me know in the comments why. Positive criticism is what we want. That being said, you go and have yourself a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month. I'm your boy, I'm your host, I'm your goddamn mechanic KB. Switch your notifications on, have a good day.